How to change JetBlue flights. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your flight on JetBlue. Now there are a few things to keep in mind if you want to change your JetBlue flight. You must first navigate to the change flight area of the JetBlue website. Now you can either head into the app and there or chat with JetBlue there or chat with the bot there, and it'll navigate you through the browser. However, if you want it shorter way, you can simply head into your browser and there you want to search in for jetblue.com. There you must log into your account, and once you log in, at the top left you can see three horizontal line icons. You can tap on it and there you want to tap on manage trips option. In my case, I'm already on manage trips option, and you can see here change or cancel flights as here. What you want to do is you want to enter your last name and you want to enter in your confirmation code or ticket here, and you want to continue and go through the process to change your flight. It might take some cancellation charges as well, changing charges as well. So this way you can change your JetBlue flight. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.